Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning about prepositions. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
So how do we say on in Sepedi?
Godimo,
That's right, godimo. And how do we say under in Sepedi?
ka tlase,
Very good, ka tlase. And how do we say next to in Sepedi?
gaufi le,
Very good, gaufi le. Now how do we say inside in Sepedi?
ka gare ga,
That's right, ka gare ga. And how do we say behind in Sepedi?
ka morago ga,
Very good, ka morago ga. So, we have godimo,
Godimo.
godimo,
ka tlase,
Ka tlase.
ka tlase,
gaufi le,
Gaufi le.
gaufi le,
ka gare ga,
Ka gare ga.
ka gare ga,
and ka morago ga.
Ka morago ga.
ka morago ga.
And now you know the prepositions in Sepedi. Bye, Abuti. Bye, kids.
Shala gabotse.